We're going to be looking at how to make a text file with Mac OS. It's a little bit more interesting than doing it on Windows. But to make a text file, all you got to do is, well, you could first save TextEdit to anywhere. You could save it to your desktop, or you could just save it in here and open it up like this. Or if you don't have it, you could just do the command space and look for Spotlight search and just type in text, and then TextEdit should be the first thing that comes up. You could just press enter, and then this will come up as well. So when you have something like this, you have it like text like this, but it's not going to turn out to be a text file. To make it into an actual text file like it would be on Windows, you need to go to Format, and then you need to go down and select Make Plain Text, or you could just do the arrow up Command T. And so if we click Make Plain Text, it's going to turn out to be something like this. Now when it looks like this, it's a text file just like this. We haven't saved it. We can choose a save location, but we'll do that in a second. So inside of here, I'm just going to call this, or I'm going to write inside of here, test text. So this is just any text we could write inside of here. And then when we're done, we could either close it or control save, or command save, I think. But if we try to close it, it's going to ask us if we want to save. We'll just save it as test. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and then we're not going to touch anything else. You would only change the save as and the where. You could also put tags in it, but I'm not going to do that here. So now we're going to just do save, and now it should save in the desktop. So we can see that we have our test.txt file right here, and so we can see that it is a text file. If we right click it and click get info, we can see what kind of file it is, the size, and most importantly, we can see the extension right here. The name is test.txt. So now we have created a text file that we can use.